nailed to the middle section there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can see the screw and nail in there.
But if it's hanging right, it doesn't really need it too much. That's a lot better. How's our board looking? Say what?
Does it have a weight on top of it?
No, it just comes in normally.
Ah, I saw something up there. I didn't know if that was a...
So the pin, the little hanger I just moved in is bouncing on it, but that'll shake back out. Take out anything that looks like an I-beam. Straighten everything up. Probably go until maybe 1/3 of the width. 1/2 to 1/3. And it'll have a nice diamond cross section on the blade of the shovel or spear or whatever this is going to end up being. If it ends up being a spear. Oh no!
As long as it ends up with something.
Well, I'm hoping for a spade, but this is the first time I've tried this, so...
What is it that you're working on?
I'm making a spade. Just a little garden tool.
Mm-hmm.
My first time messing with one, actually, so this could go well or not. I still wonder about those bellows. I wonder if I can tap that.
Yeah, I was thinking you'd need a long hammer for that.
There we go. There's the heat.
Mm-hmm.
So if I can get those shoulders forged in, I can start drawing that section out to be the end of the tail end of the shovel. Alright, it's being a little persnickety. I think I'm actually going to cheat a little bit. Really heavily salted water. Anything to get that quench slowed down a little bit. Oh, let's see here. Shoulders are the hardest part on this guy. Might have to take it like this. That's working a little better.
Do you forge out here every day?
No, not every day. I try to get in here once or twice a week. We're getting there. It's moving around and wiggling in a way I don't like.
Sounds gross.
They're moving really long.